3 Kenyans have now moved to court seeking to block the current Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission from conducting the upcoming presidential repeat election. The three argue that as currently constituted, the IEBC will not deliver a credible election. The move comes even as leaders from northeastern Kenya accuse NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga of unfairly targeting Commissioner of IEBC Professor Abdi Guliye. Trix Ngado has this story.
For the removal of IEBC commissioners as well as CEO Ezra Chiloba was filed by Brian Azin, Benwana Sakali and Kevin Aluanga. In their petition, the three want IEBC halted from organizing the 17th October repeat poll on the grounds that they cannot be entrusted to handle the poll, having allegedly bungled the 18th August election. The petition was certified urgent by vacation Judge Roslyn Aburuli, who ordered the parties to be served and responses filed within 14 days. The case will come up for further direction on the 31st of September.
My lady, on the part of the petitioners.
Even as they moved to court, a section of Northeastern Region leaders, led by Majority Leader Aden Duale, hit out at NASA leaders for allegedly targeting one of the IEBC commissioners, Professor Abdi Guliye. Speaking at Parliament buildings, the agitated leaders faulted NASA leaders for attempting to use backdoor means to eject IEBC commissioners. They urged NASA to follow the law.
We are telling Raila Odinga and his NASA principals, in no uncertain term, you cannot have two ways. That you will come to our people to ask for votes on the 17th of October, and you can go away with profiling people of our community who are serving in independent commissions. These members of parliament are saying no, and we will take this message to our people in rallies, in the mosque, in the markets, and tell them that the enemy of the people of the north is one Raila Amolo Odinga.
But on the streets of Nairobi, rights group Kura Yangu Sauti Yangu was up in arms, calling for the Director of Public Prosecutions, Keriako Tobiko, to hasten investigations into possible election fraud and take appropriate action against the culprit.
We feel that the IEBC is acting as if they can continue with business as normal, and quite clearly that is impossible because many of the officials are involved in issues which the Supreme Court found to involve irregularities and illegalities.
Hatuwezi tukangojea uamuzi refu ile ya mahakama ya juu ili tueleze ni nani. Uchunguzi inafaa ianze haraka iwezekanavyo, moja ikifanywa na afisa mkuu wa mashtaka, ingine ikiendelea katika IEBC kwenyewe ikisimamiwa na mwenyekiti. Kwa hivyo tuko na petition mbili ya kuwasilisha.
The group, which made a stop at the IEBC offices, presented a signed petition that called for those implicated after investigations not to be allowed to oversee their next election.
With regard to
this, they say, will help ensure the process is free and fair.
Conduct necessary prosecution.
Trix Ngado, KTN News.